Hey gang, how you going? SkyPilot here. I've got the Emax Babyhawk R here and I've managed to find an old 1080, or it might even be a 720p camera that I've stuck to the roof of her. So I'm going to have a quick line of sight flight and get some video footage and see how it turns out on top of the Emax. Been wanting to do this for a little while, just haven't had time. Okay. This is going to be short, sharp and shiny, guys, so thanks for dropping by. Let's crack on, get up in the air and see what this footage turns out like. Okay, so I've got the camera rolling. I've got the Emax camera rolling too. I'll just be recording some footage. Just going to record some footage on my trusty Eachine RD. Okay, we are good to go. And let's cut to the video. Yep, the Babyhawk Pro. This thing's crazy. Not recommended to be used without FPV goggles, guys, because yeah, she's fast and furious and you'll lose it in no time. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the footage for this camera comes out, what angle it's facing and how it's looking, etc. You should have been watching that while the drone was flying around, so drop us a thumbs up if you like it, if you like the camera. I actually forget what it's called, so that'll be on the screen right at the start of the video, so I do apologise for that. Yeah, link down below where all this gear comes from that I use. So check out the links below. I've actually got a really cool HGLRC Sector V2 5-inch drone I'm reviewing at the moment. And I've just done some information on how to bind it, which was a little bit tricky. But anyway, yeah, so drop by, check out all my other videos, guys, and yeah, your support's much appreciated. And any constructive comments are gratefully received. No worries, see you in the sky. SkyPilot. Catch you later.